Guys, welcome to 205 Wellington Falls Way, one of the most unique, stylish homes here in the North Atlanta area. Custom built, custom designed by internationally renowned architects. This house has something for everyone. You never have to leave this house. The home theater, the library, the in-law suite, the pool for the kids. It really has everything. Guys, I'm super excited to be showing this to you. Words don't do it justice. Let's go check it out. Thank you so much for taking a tour of this spectacular home with all that it has to offer. If you have any questions at all, my name is Anthony Laborde. My contact information is here. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to give you a personal tour of this home. Please reach out to me. Can't wait to hear from you.